Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Original Craft Oasis. Are you ready guys to immerse yourself in the enchanting world of circle scenery drawing? Join us in our latest YouTube tutorial where we will talk you on a captivating journey through the art of creating stunning landscape using simple circles. In this video, we'll start with the basic teaching you how to sketch out the foundation of your scenery using circles of varying sizes. From rolling hills to serene lakes, you will learn how to manipulate these basic shapes to bring your vision to life with ease. As we progress, we will delve into the techniques of shading, highlighting, and blending to add depth and dimension to your artwork. Whether you are aiming for a vibrant sunset or a peaceful forest, we will show you how to achieve stunning effects using just a few simple tools. But what truly sets this tutorial apart is our emphasis on creativity and experimentation. We will encourage you to let your imagination soar as you customize your scenery with unique elements and personal touches. So, whether you are a seasoned artist looking to brush up on your skills or a complete beginner eager to explore the world of art, this tutorial is for you. Grab your pencils, markers, or digital drawing tablet and let's embark on this creative adventure together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tutorial and creative content. Let's unleash our creativity and make some beautiful art together. Happy drawing!